Hello and welcome to our short tutorial about the Figma plugin Color Contrast Grid for Figma variables. In this video we will quickly show you how to use this plugin to check if your color variables are accessible or not, and we will jump directly here to our demo file where we defined already a set of colors here, and we would like to test some contrast. For example, here for interactive elements that we are using for our buttons and forms, for example. So we will launch the plugin. So color contrast grid for Figma variables. We will select the correct collection. So here we're going to select the semantic colors. And we already named them correctly, that we know if it's a background or a foreground color. So here for the interactive groups here, we will select different backgrounds. So background primary, default, hover, focus, disabled and active here, and select the foreground color. Then hit the generate color contrast grid button. And here you can see it's already generating this nice table here that we then can include inside our Figma document. So we'll put it there for now. And you can see that based on this combined colors, we're gonna have our different results. So this one is failing, this is a valid, this is failing, this one also, and this is also again here valid. So very useful, since it's gonna check your variables directly, and you can of course select more combination and make sure that your design system is accessible.